In today's video, we'll be looking at how Bitcoin is getting ready for a move to the upside, how liquidation is building up on the upside and is getting ready for a parabolic run, looking at Ethereum trade and what the price action is also telling us. This is all we'll be looking at in the video, putting ourselves on the side of smart money. Get in there, like this video, subscribe to this channel so you stay ahead of smart money moves and making money from the volatility in that and opportunities that appear to us in the cryptocurrency market. Right now, we look at Bitcoin and we still seem to be respecting our trend line that we have drawn from 6th of June, and we seem to be coiling upward movement. Right now, we look like we are moving sideways, but what does that tell us? It is obvious to anyone looking at the chart and that understands technical analysis that we are gearing up for a move, a parabolic move to the upside. We have our levels at $105,900 levels. We have another short-term temporary top at $106,000 levels, and these are the levels we are watching and we are waiting for a move to the upside. Looking at the Ethereum chart, we also seem to be respecting our trend line from 18th of May, and we still continue to coil up, expecting and anticipating, and is gearing up for a move to the upside. And this is what we are seeing in the chart. Looking at the liquidation heat map, you can see that Bitcoin is having like 92 million liquidity on the top of the channel around $105,000 levels. This is coinciding with our charts where we have spotted that there's a lot of liquidity at $105,000 levels. If we go further down into the chart and we go from the daily to the 1 hourly, and you can see right now on the 1 hourly, what are we doing? We are also respecting our trend line and going up, also coiling up for another move to the upside of $105,000 levels. This is what we are seeing in the chart, and this is what is giving us a lot of confidence and a lot of conviction to enter a trade right now in this market. And that's what I'll be doing with you in this video today. I'm entering a $500 trade and I'll be putting my take profit at 105,400 and a stop loss, a tight stop loss around the $103,800 levels. And this is what we have conviction in this market and what is going on in the trade, and we have entered a long on 5x because we believe and we know that we are gearing up for a push to the upside. This is what we are seeing in the market. The market is gearing up for a move, so we want to stay ahead of the market. We want to stay ahead of liquidity, so we grab the liquidity from other buyers to what we are doing. And looking at the crypto bubbles, you see there's a mixed bag of cryptocurrencies, a lot of red in the market, but we still see some coins, altcoins popping up, showing us there's a lot of traders, a lot of investors ready to take risk on. And looking at the crypto fair and grade index, what do we see? We see right now we are at neutral zone. So a lot of people are kind of neutral, don't know what is happening in the market, but we are convicted, we are convinced, and we can see literally that's what jumps out to us on this screen. We are gearing up for a move to the upside, and that is very, very obvious to us. We have taken a trade. This is what is obvious. And looking at it right now, we are already in profit, and we'll continue to monitor this trade. And in tomorrow's video, we'll be showing you how our take profit was executed, how we made money on this trade, and what were the points and all the positions that made us know that we were to enter this trade and why we did it, and what next moving forward in the next trade. If you miss this trade, there'll always be trade tomorrow, and for us to make money, make sure you follow me and you take advantage of all these trades and of all these opportunities that appear in the market, so you stay ahead of smart money and you are going from zero to Ferrari. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.